Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, lagging issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox setting, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Next solution is to clear Battlefield REDSEC cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for a Battlefield REDSEC game and then highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox, then skip this step. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch Battlefield REDSEC game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch the Battlefield REDSEC game and see if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to run Battlefield REDSEC game from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Battlefield REDSEC in the search bar and then click on it. Then click on launch game. I hope this will help you. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. So if you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. Save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Last solution is to reinstall Battlefield REDSEC game. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall Battlefield REDSEC from Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it. Now launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So these are some fixes that you can try to solve Battlefield REDSEC game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing or lagging issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.